Morning traders. I hope y'all out there doing well, being profitable today. Had some nice setups on CarMax and XNET as well as PXS. I tried to take my first Scorpion Sting trade on HTZ, and I ended up getting stung versus me stinging it. And it didn't have anything to do with the chart. The chart was perfect. It was a beautiful setup. It just, instead of pressing sell, I ended up pressing buy. So I actually went long 2,000 shares versus shorting 2,000 shares, and didn't realize it until I got ready to take some profits and realized I was down a couple $100 and like, okay, well, it's a mistake. It's a mistake I have to live with. So, be careful what you push, what you don't push. Know what you're getting into, what you're not getting into. If you got hotkeys, make sure you're pressing the right key at the very end of the day. But let's jump into these trades, see how things went. Good morning. Hope y'all doing well today. Got a lot of stuff moving. PXS is up. 580, closed last Friday at 410, was the big mover on Friday. So we'll see what this stock can do, whether people take profits or continue to push higher. Got some pre-market resistance around 650. There's the bell. Also looking at Hertz this morning. XNET, RIOT, anything up above 1739. ZGNX as well. Wait for it to actually open up and start moving. See what it's going to do. What else we have? The market's up today, so it should be a good day today. Be patient, be calm. Don't worry about missing out on something. There's more than enough stocks to go around to make sure you make your money you need to make today. Alright, XNET, if XNET can break back through the open up above 18, I go long some of that. And I'll put my stop right here at 1723. Alright, so I got in some XNET at 1806. Gonna break back through the open. First target to be up here around 1862, which is the pre-market high. All right, XNET up to 1840. I sell 250 at the pre-market high, 1862. CarMax is breaking out, which is a stock I definitely want to get in. I like that breakout. We got some support right here at 494. On PXS, popped up to 544, which is the open. So we need to see volume increase up above this low. Volume can pick up. I'll buy some PXS. CarMax is hanging out. XNET is hanging out. Top, waiting on PXS to break out of this range. CarMax is popping. So CarMax is looking good. Looks like XNET couldn't break through this pre-market high. CarMax 7030. That's great. Got a spike in volume. As you know, other people are stepping into the stock. And I'm going to go ahead and flatten out of this XNET. It is struggling to break up above pre-market highs. So flatten out of it, make $200. Still holding CarMax. CarMax is looking good. Gotta find some other stuff to get into. Alright, so I'm gonna grab some PXS right here, 561. think that 587 I'm about. Looks like we got some support underneath us. CarMax is looking great. 745. I'll take half off. Break above 750. So they filled me at 581 for PXS. Alright, so I'm gonna sell half of this CarMax and my stop is break even. 69.94. Alright, so looks like CarMax is gonna pull back. My stop is currently sitting at break even. Down here 693.94. And I'm probably gonna move it up to 721. 70.21. I'll move my stop up a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna grab some Hertz short below this 50 period moving average and see if we can't get a sting set up. Wait for this 15 to cross over this 50. I'll set my stop at the high 21.35. It filled me at 20.83. So I am short Hertz. And still holding on to this CarMax as well as PXS. Right now I'm down on this PXS trade, down 40 cents on it. If it breaks below this 50, then I am done with PXX and I will take that loss for the day. Looks like Hertz is about to form a sting operation on us. CarMax is about to push higher, which is great. We need to see some volume pick up on this Hertz. We got the 15 cross over to 50. Got our sting operation going on. Now we need to see that sell-off increase. There she goes. There she goes. Move some of these drawings. That's what we needed. So quick 20-cent drop. 30-cent drop on Hertz. That's great. CarMax is acting like a champ. PXS is trying to push higher, so I continue to hold that. And once again, a shout out to Max and Sniper Trader for sending me this Scorpion Sting setup. Worked like a charm. Stock broke through this 15 period moving average. That caught my attention. Next thing that caught my attention was the 15 crossing over the 50. Get our sting. Got increase in volume. Boom. That's all she wrote. So I'm gonna go ahead and let 1,000 shares run. Then I'll just hold the rest until it curl up. PXS is looking great. The support held up from 480, 513 held up, 533 held up. The stock popped higher. You gotta be kidding me. There's no way in the world I bought this stock, man. So apparently I did not sell Hertz. Apparently I bought it. How in the hell did I press buy? There's no way in the world I pressed buy. Well, let me close this thing up. Alright, so apparently I didn't sting anything. Apparently I got stung just now. So that is a $560 loss on Hertz. Clicking the wrong button. Man, that messes up your day. Good gracious. Good gracious. Pay attention to what you're doing. Make sure you push the right buttons. Make sure you're selling when you should be selling and buying when you should be buying. That's all I can say. Oh, let's keep it moving. Looks like PXS is halted. It's halted up here at this 611. Still holding his CarMax. It's at 738, so roughly it's going sideways. And my stop right here at 721. Alright, PXS is back in business. Go ahead and sell 1,000 right here at 640. Stock can break up above this pre-market high is 650. It'll push up to 7. Here we go, 650. Here we go. Another 1,000 go up here around 681. Get filled at 683. That's great. Holding on to this CarMax at 715. Let another 1,000 go. Move my stop up to this pre-market resistance right here, 656. And I'll let the rest ride on out. I'm gonna go ahead and close out this CarMax. It's just going sideways pretty much. I can do something else with that money. Flatten out a CarMax for 510 profit. It was a good trade setup. Let's bring it up here. Got a push higher from the pre-market open at 669.47. Got a pullback. Took a long position, and then the stock ran up. Sold some profits right here around the 719, 721 area. Moved my stop up. The stock continued to go higher and then started trading sideways. So when they closed it out, put the money in the bank, keep it moving. Looks like PXS has been halted again. To be expected. You know, the stock ran from 540 up to 740. So roughly $2 in less than 10 minutes. Don't chase. I would advise, do not chase these stocks that are running. Don't chase them higher. You will end up holding the bag, and the bag will be empty. Just wait for a setup. Be patient. All right, PXS is back open up to 8. So we're just gonna let this last piece ride out as far as it can go. Oh, there it goes. Got halted again. All right, PXS is back in business up to 850, 870, 880. See if we can get this resistance from Friday. $9. Tap that, and I will close it out. All right, I'm out at $8.99. That was a good trade. Good trade on PXS. Good profit. It took a while. Considering where I got in, this thing definitely took a while to actually make this move, but it was a good setup. Stock broke lower, pushed high, hit some resistance around 6, fell back down, did not make a new low, pushed back up, took a long position, and then rode this 50 period moving average for a minute till it finally kicked in. Some buyers stepped in and it caught a bid. And that HTZ, great short setup right here, shorting at 2083. 15 crossed back over the 50 period moving average. So that would have been, that's a patented sting, scorpion sting setup. However, I made a mistake, pressed the wrong button, therefore took a loss on it. You don't have to be right all the time, but you do have to have a plan in order to be right. So figure out what your trading plan is and stick with it. Perfect that. Don't worry about what everybody else does. Don't worry about, hey, somebody made 12,000 off PXS today. Hey, that's fine. That's great for them. I'm proud of them. I'm happy for them. Don't worry about what the next man makes. Just stick to your P&L. Learn how to perfect your P&L and keep it moving. That's it. I'm the Bearded Trader. Y'all have a great day.